Did you know that Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has ice? Or that a single day on Mercury is longer than a year? Get ready for some mind-blowing facts about the most extreme planet in our solar system. Mercury zooms around the Sun at an insane speed of 47.87 kilometers per second. That's 107,000 miles per hour. It takes just 88 Earth days to complete one orbit, making it the fastest planet in our solar system. Now, here's where things get weird. Even though Mercury races around the Sun in 88 days, its rotation is so slow that one full day, from one sunrise to the next, takes 176 Earth days. So, if you lived on Mercury, you'd celebrate your birthday before you saw the sun rise and set once. Mercury might be the closest planet to the Sun, but surprisingly, it has frozen water at its poles. How? Some deep craters near the poles never receive sunlight, so temperatures stay cold enough for ice to exist. Scientists believe this ice came from ancient comets crashing into the planet. Mercury is actually shrinking. As its iron core cools, the planet is slowly contracting, causing massive wrinkles or fault scarps to appear on its surface. It's basically turning into a cosmic raisin. Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat, so temperatures are insane. During the day, it can get as hot as 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But at night, it plummets to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 180 degrees Celsius. Colder than some places on Pluto. That's a 1,000 degree temperature swing in just one day. Scientists didn't expect Mercury to have a magnetic field because it's so small. But it does, though it's only 1% as strong as Earth's. Even weirder, it's offset from the planet's center. Scientists are still scratching their heads over this one. This is wild! Mercury actually has a tail like a comet. The Sun blasts Mercury with solar wind, knocking atoms off its surface, especially sodium, which forms a glowing tail stretching millions of kilometers into space. Ancient astronomers saw Mercury at different times, once in the morning and once in the evening. Because it appeared in two places at different times, they thought it was two separate planets. It wasn't until later that they realized it was the same tricky little planet. Unlike Earth, Jupiter, or even tiny Pluto, Mercury has no moons, and it never will. Being so close to the Sun, any moon would either crash into Mercury or get pulled away by the Sun's gravity. Ever wanted to lose weight instantly? On Mercury, you'd weigh only 38% of what you do on Earth. That's because Mercury has weaker gravity. So if you weighed 100 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh only 38 pounds on Mercury. Meet the Caloris Basin, one of the largest impact craters in the entire solar system. It's about 1,550 kilometers, 960 miles wide. And when the asteroid that created it hit Mercury, the impact was so intense it caused shock waves that traveled around the entire planet. Because of Mercury's bizarre rotation and orbit, if you stood on its surface, you'd see the sun rise, stop, go backward, then move forward again before setting. Imagine trying to keep track of time on this planet. Mercury is mostly core. Scientists believe its iron core makes up 85% of the planet's volume, making it the largest core-to-planet ratio of any planet in the solar system. So, there you have it. Mercury is one of the strangest and most extreme planets in the solar system. From its crazy temperature swings to having ice despite being so close to the Sun, it never ceases to amaze scientists. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing space facts.